So how to play music on Spotify while playing Roblox mobile. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so let's jump right into it. First we open Spotify and then choose a song. From there play the song. Make sure the song is playing and you have good internet connectivity. After that we minimize Spotify and keep it playing in the background. From there we open Roblox. As you can see here, the music is still playing in the background. Now while it is still playing, go ahead and launch a server that you want to play in. Wait for the server to fully load up. You are joining it right now. And just like that, basically I am playing Roblox right now. And once I check from the top of the screen, the music is still playing, as you can see. Now if for some reason your Roblox app stops the music from playing, you can easily go ahead and scroll down from the top and then play the music again. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.